Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to revise the question answers of the lesson Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. So, in the last period, I have explained you the lesson Paramveer Chakra. So, in this lesson, we have studied who got the Paramveer Chakra for their bravery, and Paramveer Chakra, its medal appearance, who made the story behind this Paramveer Chakra, and the contribution of the flying officer Nirmaljeet Sekhon, the flying bullets. So how he sacrificed his life for the sake of our country. So we have seen this, and we have done meanings of the words. Okay, legendary, conspicuous, posthumously, fitted with seven mounting of words and rivers. All these meaning I have told you. Now question answers. We will revise the question answers. Please check it. Okay. Read the passage and answer the following questions. Question number 1. So slowly, I'll just read it. I'll revise it. You have to just check it. Okay. What is Paramveer Chakra? Answer is Paramveer Chakra is the India's highest military decoration awarded for the most conspicuous bravery of some daring or preeminent act of world or sacrifice by our brave soldiers. In the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. So this is the Paramveer Chakra. Again, I repeat, Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration, awarded for the most conspicuous bravery of some daring or preeminent act of birth or self-sacrifice by our brave soldiers. In the presence of the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. Question number next. What is seen on the obverse and reverse of the PVC medal? What is seen on the obverse and reverse of the PVC medal? On the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi or in English. Hindi and English, not all. With 2 lotus flowers in between them. See, on the obverse side, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. On the reverse, the words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in between them. Question number C. Who designed the PVC model? Sorry, PVC medal. Who designed the PVC medal? The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. What makes Indra's Vajra or weapon invincible? What makes Indra's Vajra or weapon invincible? The Indra's Vajra or thunderbolt was fashioned from the bones of sage Dadiji, and the supreme sacrifice of the sage makes the weapon invincible. What makes Indra's Vajra or weapon invincible? So this is the question number 1's A, B, C, D. Question number 2. Write the story of Sage Dadiji's sacrifice in your own word. Write the story of Sage Dadiji's sacrifice in your own words. See, we'll write the answer now. Many years ago, a demon set out a mission, stealing all the water in the world. The consequence was very serious. The consequence was very serious. Innocent people suffered and lost their lives. Innocent people suffered and lost their lives. They had no water to quench their thirst. They had no water to quench their thirst. Defeating this demon with an ordinary weapon was not possible. So, to defeat the demon, the special weapon is necessary. It is required specially. So, defeating this demon with an ordinary weapon was not possible. An extraordinary weapon was required. An extraordinary weapon was required. Sage Dadiji, whose bone had extraordinary power, was the only person who could save the people from the clutches of the demon. But how could anyone ask a man for his bones? But how could we can ask a man for his bones? A noble man that Sage Dadiji was, he himself sacrificed his life and gave his own bones to help the people. Using the bones of Sage Dadiji, Indra's weapon of thunderbolt was designed. And this matchless weapon helped Indra to defeat the demon. Through Sage Dadiji's sacrifice, we learn the value of selflessness and significance of sacrificing our own life for a larger good. So we should learn what is the selflessness and significance of sacrificing our own life for the larger good. So this is the says that this is right short story. So third question is read aloud the account of flying officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekon sacrificed his life to defend our country. See. So read aloud the account of how flying officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekon sacrificed his life to defend our country. Three. Your answer is sending them sweets on hasty occasion, collecting funds and contributing it towards various initiatives organized by soldiers, visiting them and organizing cultural programs for them, writing letters to them and expressing our gratitude to them for giving us a sense of security. Fifth, inviting them to the school on occasions like Independence Day, Republic Day, etc. And deriving inspirational from their words of wisdom. And deriving inspiration from their words of wisdom. Okay, now question number 4. Find more information about Paramvir Chakra awardees. So, which people got the Paramvir Chakra award? Find more information about it. Prepare a collage using photographs. So, you have to make a collage using photograph. Okay, collage. And paste pictures, text matter, famous words, slogans, and written in beautiful handwriting. Okay, so do this. You have to make a collage of Paramvir Chakra awardees. Those people who got the Paramvir Chakra, you have to prepare a collage using photographs, pictures, text matters written in beautiful handwriting. Okay. Now, fifth question is find more information about the Indian Armed Forces, the Army, Navy, and the Air Force. Army, Navy, and the Air Force. Force with the help of your teacher. Okay. Force with the help of your teacher. So you can find information from the internet, Indian Armed Forces, about the Indian Armed Forces, the Army, Navy, and the Air Force with the help of your teacher. Understood? Okay. So this is about the lesson from the chapter. Okay. These are the question answers. So find more about information of Paramvir Chakra awardees and make a collage. So you have to do this. And you have to find more information about Indian Armed Forces, the Army, Navy, and the Air Force. Okay, with the help of your teacher. So I'll tell you that go and search internet, magazines are different, magazines are there, newspapers are there. So collect information, collect photographs, collect slogans, and just sit and write down. Okay. Collect. What can you do to show your love, respect, and support to the soldier who fight for the country? So what can you do for the soldier? Discuss this in the classroom. You have to discuss in the classroom. For example, you can send greeting cards to them on various occasions with the help of your teacher. Okay, you can send them greeting card on various occasions with the help of your teacher. So your teacher can send. Sometimes we use 2 or 3 adjectives together to describe a noun. कभी-कभी हम 2 या 3 adjective use करते हैं noun को describe करने के. In such cases, the order in which adjectives are used depends on the meaning. The adjectives that expresses slow your opinion about something are usually put first. The other adjectives are normally put in the following order. Okay. The other adjectives are normally put in the following order: size, age, shape, color, origin, material, use, or purpose. A nice little basket, a big red plastic bag, a brave young man, a noisy old drilling machine. Okay, these are the adjectives which are used to describe a noun. So here we have finished the question answers of this lesson. Your homework is revise all the question answers. Revise. Question answers. Permutation. Understood? So read the lesson. Reading is very important. Go through the hard words and their meanings that we have done in last period and revised all question answers of this lesson. Okay. Okay.